Lease.
99.
Yeah, that is called lease. And develop it and then give it to government back. Some rent or some monthly, yearly.
ഒരാളുണ്ട് അവിടെ, വയസ്സായ ഒരാള്. അയാള് രാവിലെ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവും, രാത്രി തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നു. അവിടെ വൃത്തിയാക്കാം. ഒരു വയസ്സായ ഒരാള്.
വൃത്തിയൊന്നും അല്ലാന്ന് അയാള് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇല്ല, കൊറേ യങ്സ്റ്റേഴ്സ് പോവും, ബൂസ് അടിക്കും. അതുണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇപ്പില്ല, അങ്ങനെയാണ് സാധാരണ. അധികം ആരും പോവാറില്ല അവിടെ. അങ്ങനെ പോവുണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. നമുക്കവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ട് എന്നൊക്കെ ചോദിച്ചു. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്.
അവിടെ ഞങ്ങള് ഇതിലൊക്കെ മറ്റേ നമ്മുടെ പയ്യന്നൂർ നടുവിലുള്ള പോലത്തെ മലൊക്കെ കേറി
ട്രീ ഹൗസ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്.
പിന്നെ അത്ര ഹൈറ്റ് ഇല്ല, ഊഞ്ഞാല് ഉണ്ട്.
ഇവിടുത്തെ ചീഫ് റിട്ടയർ ആയി പോലും ഇപ്പൊ കണ്ടില്ല അവരാണ്. ഞാൻ പാരുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ആള് റിട്ടയർ ആയി. അപ്പൊ അവർക്കെല്ലാം സെന്റ് ഓഫ് പാർട്ടി ആളുടെ അവിടെ കൊടുത്തു ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട്. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാരെയും വിളിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുക ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ ഇതെല്ലാം ഗവൺമെന്റിന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ, ഇയാൾ തന്നെ റൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇവിടെ അല്ലെന്നാ പറയും. It's all because of one lady, Sujiva. Dr. Sujiva.
I was not listening.
No, we were here because of you only, no?
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
It's
a
great.
pleasure.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah, you know, we never got such a... Even with the tourist guide or tourist gang,
we cannot
get this kind of experience.
No, they will take you and then it's commercial, no? They, hey, this is this, this is this, this is this, this is this.
He's asking me, but I'm scared.
Who? Yeah. I'm not coming.
I'm scared.
You will sit. You'll have company.
No, I'm
You can
scared.
also. You are also sit. I know they will save your life. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, but we don't want to give her.
You have a...
No, she don't want her give life to get secured in some police hand. He is already secured in.
Why? You are having a phobia. Right? නැති කරගන්න.
මාර බයයි.
ඒක තමයි. දැන් සමහර ඉන්නවා some CEOs පඩි නගින්න steps ගන්න. ඒ phobia එක තියෙන්නේ.
No, I have a phobia, but I still enjoy if I go.
Yeah.
But then I thought you are not going, na? You will sit here. We will discuss something.
Right. Sure.
That is better, na? We will do some creative job.
Yeah.
Right.
Why යන්නේ නෑ?
They let them have fun. You want to go? You go.
I'll watch them anyway.
Yeah. She will be with us, our creative partner.
No. No.
जाओ जाओ. You look like exactly one of my students who is in US. The number is 1941. No, 1941. She enjoys all this. Go, sure. Go. അതമ്മ. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah. So you have the water sports here? No.
Yeah. Water sports in the sense this is lifesaver training.
That is it.
Trained by police.
Ah.
But they are mostly funded by me.
Okay.
So they are my people, right? So but this water sports, motor activity, you can't have it because of the fisheries
Restriction.
board is there. But I'm going to change those things for tourism, right? So, ruwan sago. Puta, ruwan sago. Maturel. Oh. Are. Here. That's our hotel,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Then
And that is the stadium.
stadium. So once the
Light
lit up,
comes. You get
everything is.
lighted up. Understood?
You can't understand how fast the light goes. All that area even it's lit up.
And once on top of your house,
Yeah.
you keep different color flags. Green, white, blue. It will become every people will look at it. What is it?
No, once it is lit up, I have the place from this. Say for example, this.
Yeah, that pole to
that pole.
To the other end.
No, the other end. These all are my walls, right?
Yes,
my roofs,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
The corroded walls.
Yes.
So even further this side,
Further this side.
yeah, it's all my area. So once it is lit up, I have some pictures with when it was. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
So it's really nice.
എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? കൈ കൊടുക്ക്, കേറിക്കോ എന്റെ മുകളിൽ. എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? സൂപ്പർ. ഞങ്ങള് കുറെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. രാമായണ കോൺഫറൻസിൻ ഇവിടെ രാമധർമ്മ പ്രചാരക സമിതി ഓൾറെഡി പണ്ട് ഗോദാവരി ടവേഴ്സിൽ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്തിട്ടതാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് എന്നെ ഫിജിയിൽ വിളിച്ചത്. അത് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞു വി വിൽ ഡു ഇറ്റ് ഹിയർ. 10-15 രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് ആൾക്കാർ വരും ഇവിടെ. അയാൾ ഫുൾ ഇത് തരാമോ എനിക്ക് വിസ? ശ്രീലങ്കൻ വിസ. ശ്രീലങ്കൻ വിസ എടുക്കാണ്ട് വരാൻ പറ്റും. അയാളെ നിങ്ങൾക്കും പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് എന്നങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ ബിസിനസ് വിസ. Don't take visa and all now. I'll see that you get. We will have partnership business program. You're recording on. എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? കൈ കൊടുക്ക്, കേറിക്കോ എന്റെ മോളിൽ. എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? സൂപ്പർ. ഞങ്ങള് കുറെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. രാമായണ കോൺഫറൻസിൻ ഇവിടെ രാമധർമ്മ പ്രചാരക സമിതി ഓൾറെഡി പണ്ട് ഗോദാവരി ടവേഴ്സിൽ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്തിട്ടതാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് എന്നെ ഫിജിയിൽ വിളിച്ചത്. അത് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞു വി വിൽ ഡു ഇറ്റ് ഹിയർ. 10-15 രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് ആൾക്കാർ വരും. അയാൾ ഫുൾ ഇത് തരാമോ എനിക്ക് വിസ? ശ്രീലങ്കൻ വിസ. ശ്രീലങ്കൻ വിസ എടുക്കാണ്ട് വരാൻ പറ്റും. അയാളെ നിങ്ങൾക്കും പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് എന്നങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ ബിസിനസ് വിസ. Don't take visa and all now. I'll see that you will have partnership business program. You're recording on. 2 minutes. How was it?
Thrilling. Fine.
Nice you went.
Oh.
Nice, no? This boy would have enjoyed.
Just look at him.
Full dreads. ലൈഫ് ബോട്ട്
ലൈഫ് ജാക്കറ്റ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് വെള്ളത്തിലിറങ്ങി അവിടെ ഐലൻഡില്. പിന്നെ ഊഞ്ഞാലില് അടി ഐലൻഡില്.
Great. And they are saying,
anak beragan tira.
He is the chief.
Yeah.
Correct?
Again me oye make na.
Police life saving. ජීවිත 60
පොඩට
ගානක් ගිය මාසෙත් පොය දවසේ
අප්පාට නංගිර ස්ටේට්.
they have saved 3 children.
Here?
කණ්ඩලම.
Kandalam.
ඉඳුණාද? හේනවද?
ඔව් ඒක රේවනම.
right. අපි දැන් මේකටත් ගිහිල්ලා යන්න ඕනේ.
හොඳයි සංකස්ස වලට.
ඔව්.
ඒ ලස්සනයි ඒක.
උඩට ගියා හරි උලව.
Now, just now when we were coming, he had a lot of children. He was giving that exercise. They were all put the other side. There is a place he was making them to swim.
Training, practical training. Yeah.
So that is essential. Swimming, that is life saving. Is like whatever we do, if we can't save our life, what is the point of it?
Would you like to have a
But
bath?
TB is
They already took bath.
we have to change.
Go, we
We have to go to the room.
They will go to room.
There's another place like this. First we change and go to that place. So what?
it's time.
No, now we go there. It will, and by the time we'll take another 45 minutes, right? Then we go there and
You have chai.
have a tea, nice tea, and you stay there. Go tomorrow.
Our hotels are booked. 8 o'clock.
යන මත පුතවන්න චේන්ජ් කරගන්න දෙනවා. දෙවිල ඉන්නේ.
Similar.
All are wet.
Floating on the water. You won't believe. All the way waiting.
All of them.
They were on the water.
You didn't jump, no?
No.
Yeah.
They were asked.
Only these 3 people. You did not.
Never.
Yeah, only
So
3.
they, yeah,
Only
3 kids enjoyed.
you went to the island.
Island.
3 kids enjoyed. These 3
They
kids
were
enjoyed.
floating. Totally they were floating.
I jumped to the water and I said,
Very good.
අපේ වාහනේ තියෙනවනේ ඒකේ තියෙනවනේ නේද ඔයාගේ? ඔය මාරු
You
කරලා.
have dresses now, you change them.
ඕක මේ ඕම මේ මිරික ගන්න වතුර ටික ගන්න නෑ එතකොට නැත්නම් එතකොට වාහනේට මේ වෙනවනේ අන්නේ මිරික ගන්න අඩු කරගන්න
නෑ මේ ඔයා මේ අසකට පැනලා ඔයාගේ මේ
අඳුම් ටික අරගෙන.
ඔයා අරන් එන්න නැත්තම් වාහනේ බෑග් එක දෙන්න බෑ ඔයා.
So you do sailing coaching?
අවල් සොකෝදියෝ
No, it's not.
You want to do sailing coaching here? Want the people to come here? You want sailing people to come here? I can get from India.
Yeah.
Welcome. I got the international sailing coach. He's from my native, now doing in Hyderabad. His job is going
So
around.
we are going to have a 2-mile swimming championship annual one
Yes.
sponsored by me
Understand.
and they will be handling it.
I'll get Madhu also. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓർമ്മയില്ല ഒരു മധു വന്ന്? Yeah, Madhu is from the sailing. See, he is the sailing coach.
That is all free. That is free. I am doing because for the children and to encourage the sport as
I'll
a
talk
sport.
to him and then give a map of this and then all that
Yeah.
water floating, skating and all that will come.
Yeah, that's correct.
The
Even some
speed boat will go, he will hand on the stop and they will hold the string, you drive fast. All that will
ඔයා ලංකාවේ ඉන්නේ කියලා? Hello.
මෙතන මේ changing room එකක් නැත්නම්
මේක ඇතුලින් තම කරන්න.
No, we'll go to
නෑ නෑ
go to hotel because they need dress also to
නෑ මං කියන්නේ මේ පිටේ එකක්
දීපම
වෙන දේවල් නේ.
පුළුවන් වෙලාවට.
ඒකත් තමයි ඩස්ට්බින් කරනවා. කාන්තාව.
පුළුවන් වෙලාවට.
කාන්තාව.
පුතා මෙන්න මේ ඔයාගේ බෝඩ් එක කියන්නකො මේ ජගත් ඔයාගේ
ඒක අපි
බෝඩ්ස් ගැන
කරන්නේ.
මම මේ අපේ
වට
කම්පැනි
කරලා දෙන්න
ඩිරෙක්ටර්
විදියක් නෑ මේ
මේ washroom එකක් එහෙම නෑනේ.
නෑනේ වොස්තුම් නෑ අපි නෑ. මහවැලි ටික. ඒ මහවැලි
The young crowd goes there, they have boost and this and that. To get down, go around it, and I send a lifesaver also, so no problem.
Yeah, yeah. So look at your website and then make a probably a plan This is how many hours from the
Colombo.
nearest airport is Colombo?
Colombia.
3 hours.
Once the now up to in between you came on the highway, right?
So we came by different places, right?
I went to Kandy
First we went to Kandy.
Right. Then,
This is another straight route.
yeah, straight road.
2.5 hours.
Yeah, not
3
even
hours.
that. It's like this now from Colombo. That is from Colombo the highways are being built, right? So from say about up to Kurnagal, in between about 57 kilometers, there is a highway. That's only about 30 minutes, right? So from there to that is up from Colombo to that is the heaviest traffic.
1 hour.
That is about 1 hour. So 1.5 hours. From there, it's about 45 minutes, right? It's only 65 kilometers.
Yeah, 2.5 to 3 hours.
Maximum, maximum 3 hours, right? But now from that place to Gambulla, highway is coming up within next maximum. It was scheduled to finish this year, but we had that problem. Due to that, it was suspended. But all the land acquired, they have paid money is everything. So it's a matter of finishing. So and also from Colombo, that where I stay, that's about 8 kilometers from Colombo. From there to this highway, another about that I told you it takes about 1 hour to avoid that. That also 90% finished. There was some got sorted out.
See the advantage of this camera?
Maximum 1.5 hours. This advantage.
It's in your... 3 hours, 3 hours. Breathing problem will go, they will learn how to swim, and then they'll be good. I'm also scared. I lost my father and sister in water. The water, when it was crossing the water took it. Me, my father, my sister, all of them fled. I only escaped. So this is my second birth. After that, again I had 3-4 accidents. Everywhere I escaped. Whoever is with me, everybody died. My sister, my father, me. All of them died on my birthday. 1970, when I was 4 years old. My sister was 6 years old, my father was 6 years old. Yeah, bodies were found in a different sea. It's a small place, river goes and river. See, we have a small, our agriculture land is 6 miles away. So from my house, they have to go there. Second is October is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. We have holiday. My mother was in the other farmhouse. So my father came and said, "Let us go. 2 days we will stay there and then come back." So we were walking and going. The river flows from the mountain. People will use bund so that they can collect water for washing, clothing, all that they will use. One bund break, other bund will break, other bund will break, it becomes a flood. So in the flood, my father was carrying me to put the other side. Just crossing this much only. To cross this much, he was just taking me the other side. The flood came, he was
Yeah, it was broken and came.
broken and so my sister was standing on the shore. She said my father and son is brother is swimming. She jumped. Both of them. So I have seen lot of problems in my childhood, lot of trouble. So my life is not that smooth. No English. School is ours. The whole land was ours. We were landlocked. Raja. My mother had 1 lakh acre land. So 5 sisters. All of them had 1 lakh land. The whole area was ours. That mountain to this mountain to that mountain is ours. And today we don't have it. Government has got a land seal. Everybody is working. People who come from different places and say, "I want to take from agriculture." Let's go and take it. Like that we have distributed everything. So when I go to my village, I don't have land. But everybody knows. Yeah, this farmer is still rusted.
Yeah.
Yeah? Still there. Kanu. That is where my old house. The old house is mine.
Nani again? Hari. Yeah, again. Wah, kanu mana? Kanu mana? Hah? Apa tu? Ini. also. And I just have the plans of having senior citizen residence system something else. All my places are retired to a company. So, use my
That is what I'm saying.
use my will and let's do something to the society. I don't need a single cent. I
What we will do
will spend.
We will arrange the teachers training program here.
Yeah.
Maybe next few months. Okay. And I'm sure now I have a lot of teachers heard me in the conference. Sujiva also because of me only Sujiva she became the chief guest. Now everybody knows that our connection, we have written a book and that book is only a theory book. I want that to happen here, make a practical document. Some senior teachers can get a PhD. I have a university called the University of Americas, where I am a Acharya for a Gurukula. Acharya means like a professor. I can give PhD. You want a doctor, you want to become a doctor?
I have done for two of my sons. In the higher studies, I also did because motivated.
Understood.
And in one batch, three of us got graduated, and the one convocation, that is from Hardin. First my son went, second, third
The
my
father.
dad, right, in a row. And then I told the professor from UK, Cardiff, right? I told him.
That is what I want. We want a genuine, what is traditional.
And which I have succeeded. It's a mix of
Yeah, understood.
the transformation. Mix of
Whatever small things what you think, you write it down, send it to me. I'll make in the format. And we have a committee. The committee will look at it. Once you register, 1 year. After that, we will give you a certificate. So I think 1 lakh is the fees. That is the fees which they charge. Actually 1 lakh 30,000 something. 30,000
what I want is to
genuine. See, what I want is I want to get that documented and you put in library, make it as a book. And then every library should have your name in the
No,
book.
and for literature review, I want that to be followed.
That is what I
What my mind.
understood.
So I will give you my review.
Yes.
Then you know
What is that? You keep writing whatever is there. I'll put everything in one box and keep looking at it and make that as a thesis and book. I'm good in making it. Very fast I can.
So,
We will use for
we have another way. Our drive from Colombo was inside, south side, Angola. So that is also about 150, 200 accommodation. So that area teachers we can have it.
And when you have some programs happening, you can call me so that we know.
We'll have a sort of a have design some training.
Yeah.
Because your accommodation, transportation, no cost because everything I have.
Yeah.
People, right? So you have a living in Thailand and the accommodation thing they have done everything. So they can
And it is not, actually it is not a big cost. To me to travel to my home,
yeah.
it is costlier than coming to Colombo. Chennai it is 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. To go to my house it is 7,000 rupees, double cost. Only if you plan little early it becomes much cheaper. And there are 7 flights. My hometown to go only 1 flight is. So today I was telling somebody, you want to come to my flight, if you miss the flight, next day only you can reach. To Colombo you can reach either from here or here or here or something, or you can reach there the same day. So many flights are. We are well connected. I don't know why I had not come earlier. Many of my students wanted to come here. So generally I go for only academic programs when there is a lecture. So it did not happen. And there was one, actually Sujiva was introduced to me by one other lady called Kanjana. She is the one who, some seminars, conference we met. She introduced me to Sujiva. Kanjana is not here. She is in UK. So she has sent a message, I am missing you. I wanted you to come when I am here. A lot of people are there who, you know, we interact, we talk. A lot of friends are there. It's a nice place. A beautiful place. See, we have Kochi in Kerala, Kochi. It's almost like this. But it has got a lot of traffic, a lot of problems. But that is very close to sea. This is not sea. It's a big Vavi Kupatataka ni Devata.
The site is much bigger than this side.